going the route of taking out the heads, only taking out a certain percentage alcohol from your still. So you're stopping when you go down to like 30% or 20%. You will only get 6 litres of 40% booze. Now, if you take every piece of alcohol using the air still, which is what I did, I kept running it until there's water coming out, you end up with 9 litres of 40%. That's a 5 litre and that's filled to the brim, so that's about 5.5 to 6 litres. That's filled to the brim, it's a 2 litre bottle. That one's up to the 1 litre mark. So I've got about 9 litres. 6, 7, 8. I've got about 9 litres of 40% spirits, and it tastes great. So yeah, don't waste your alcohol. If it's a sugar wash, you don't need heads, you don't need tails, it's all the fucking same. There's barely any difference.